Well, I swear here live at the command center JW Solar USA, and the general is cooking today, and you guys see we're doing a lot of work, so it's a kind of compensation for all the leaf. Sorry, not the Nissan Leaf. It's for the Volkswagen e-Golf batteries. So it's just like she's happy with the production, she's happy with the outcome, and she knows that the investment is working. So now she brought me to the kitchen, said this is what we're gonna do today. Check this out. You got all onions and tomatoes, bell pepper, green bell pepper, and she's frying fish right now. You can see the one that's not yet fried that you guys can see right there. And there we go. Process is in the pot right now, boiling, and get the fresh tomatoes right there. Get some flour here, is doing the mixing, and we're gonna be grinding some stuff right there. Food processor. So just want to give you guys a heads up, and we are doing fantastic here at the JW Solar USA, and just want to show you what's going on or what's cooking. And let's do this process here as we go ahead and show you how everything is running with the lithiums as well. Let's go, girl. That's right. So everything is running on lithium, and guys, it's unbelievable. But dream comes true. Still happy with it. I don't have any bad things to say about it. There's a flower right here. What's the name of the fish again? It's a pollock right here. No pollock, a pollock. So right now, and you guys can see this is well organized. It's well organized. Tomatoes, onions, and look at this. Deep fried. Some people said they don't like deep fry. Some people bake. So we do both. Sometimes we bake it. Sometimes we deep fry it. Just a something. It's well cooked. Well, from there we're gonna make some nice stew with this, and trust me, this is gonna be really good. I know this kitchen. So there's a time right there. It's 15:28 hours right here in Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Stay tuned, and I'm gonna be bringing you live coverage when everything is done. Love you guys all. Thanks for watching, and this is for us all who has been in this project, watching how things going with the lithiums, and she's so excited about it, and she's the main key about this one old lithium. So guys, I want to thank you. I don't know how to even thank you, but I still have to say keep thanking you guys all the time, because if you guys were not behind me, I cannot do this. But you guys are watching my videos, and all my regular viewers and all my regular guys that gives a thumbs up, like, and share to the channel. I love you guys all. Thank you so much, and I can't stop thanking you guys because you guys are awesome. Awesome guys, and thanks for your support. And all my brothers from the Caribbean, all the in America, Europe, all Asian Pacific, the Middle East, Africa, all the continents in the world. I just want to tell you, I want to show you, I want to thank you guys. I want to show how much I appreciate you guys. So this is a meal for us all. But since you guys are not going to be able to be part of this, but if you want to fly wherever you are in the world, hey, you're more than welcome. Maybe we can make more food, more than this, so that you guys can all have a party with me. So we are celebrating with the lithium, the VW Volkswagen e-Golf battery. So this is like a win-win game today, and I'm bringing you back here. The general is doing some stuff, and look at the tomatoes and everything diced up. And thank you so much. Love you, and bye for now. Yummy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Fish. Woo-wee. See that? She's dipping it into the flour, and right there, right in the pork. Woo. Didn't you like? If you find this recipe really interesting, you can ask for it, then I can just let her give me everything, then I can post it up. But if you're okay with that, or you think you're a pro more than her, well, we're open to learn. This is another era of the JW Solar USA home, how we do things here. We work hard, but we take care of ourselves. And sit down and take care of ourselves most of the time. Alright? Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to push the subscribe button and make sure to turn up the notification bell for more videos on your way. Stay tuned for more lithiums coming.